Hi, talking about the Mavic 2 Zoom, specifically the Dolly Zoom effect. I bought the Mavic 2 so I can film water sports action. The drone has the advantage of filming in close without getting too dangerously close to the subject. And because it's an optical system, there's no loss of quality. The Dolly Zoom effect is basically a quick shot option in the intelligent flight mode. Simply tap Dolly Zoom via quick shot and select your subject. The system will count down and then give you a 8-second or so recording of the Dolly Zoom. Essentially, this is basically a droney with zoom effect. While the Dolly Zoom is a great effect in the quick shot automated system, I much prefer a manual Dolly Zoom instead. To try this, it helps to learn how this parallax effect works. Basically, the background compresses or widens in relation to the foreground, which stays the same. To do this, you need to move the joystick full stick forwards or backwards and adjust the zoom accordingly. I find that moving backwards and turning the zoom to the right helps for one direction, while in forward motion you turn the zoom to the left. Here's an example of a forward moving Dolly Zoom in manual mode. This can be a hit and miss affair, especially when you're trying to do an orbit and adjusting the zoom accordingly. But I actually find that this is a complicated but enjoyable learning curve. I hope that this video helps with your flying techniques. Please subscribe and like to this video for some more hints and tips. And I'll see you again.